দয়াল আমার কৃপা সিন্ধু ভব সিন্ধু বিন্দুর বিন্দু বিন্দুর সিন্ধু অফুরন্ত দয়াল আমার শ্রীকান্ত দয়াল আমার কৃপার ভাণ্ডার ভালোবাসার অতি সম্ভার সৃষ্টির মালিক আমার তিনি আমার রক্ষাকারী দয়াল আমার এক মহান ভাণ্ডারী গাছেতে শুধু ফল ঝরে না তাকাও না এই ভব সিন্ধু পারে দেখতে পাবে জীবন্ত ফুল সাজিয়েছে দয়াল আমার নদী নালা বৃক্ষ আদি মাঠের সম্ভার যতই দেখি একটি বৃন্দে একটি ফুলছ আর তো কিছু দেখি না তো দয়াল তোমার কি যে সৃষ্টি বোঝা ভারী এই অধম তোমার যাত্রা ভালো প্রকৃতি মা সদাই হলো প্রজাপতিরাও হলুদ হলো পাকনা মেলে বাদাম তুলো অধম তোমার কর্ম ভালো নামটি তোমার অধম হলে সন্তান প্রকৃতিমার নদী নালার সকল জীবের যদি অধম তুমি চাও হে কর্ম করো নির্ভয়ে সত্য কর্মের নেই রে মৃত্যু অধম তোমার নাই মরণ কর্মে তোমার হবে স্মরণ ধন্য হবে মানব জনম মালিক তোমায় করবে কদর অহর্নিশি জনম ধরে অধম তোমার কর্ম ভালো কর্ম করো সৎ কর্ম পিছন ছাড়ো হিসাব কষ বর্তমানের মূলধনেরই অধম তোমার মালিক পক্ষ করিয়াছেন নিরপেক্ষ ভাণ্ডার করো উজার তুমি অধম তোমার নাইকো গতিহীন এই সম্মতি মালিকেরই সুমতি রাখো অধম তোমার ধর্মে করো তুমি নিত্য কর্ম অধম সাজো অধম ভজ অধমের ধ্যান করো অধম তোমার কর্ম ভালো করো তুমি আত্মধ্যান। অধম তোমার রূপ সনাতন, এই তো হইল জীবের কারণ। মানব দেহে চলন বলন অধম তোমার কর্ম ভালো। দয়াল তোমায় বাসেন ভালো, তাই তো দেখো কত আলো। অন্ধকারেই আলো খোঁজো, নেই কোনো অন্য গতি। মতি গতি অধম তোমার ন্যস্ত করো মালিকি পদে। নেই কোনো অবনতি, মালিক নাই কোনো ক্ষতি। ক্ষতির পক্ষ কন্যা পক্ষ, মালিকি পক্ষ উভয় পক্ষ। দক্ষ রক্ষ করে মালিক, তুমি শুধু কর্ম করো। অধম তোমার নাইকো গতি, হবে না আর কোনো ক্ষতি। মালিক তোমায় দিলেন গতি, হীন গতি গতিহীনে। দয়াল আমার অধম দয়াল, অধমেরই দয়াল তুমি। তুমি আমার গতিবিধি স্মৃতি স্মরণ মরণপতি। দয়াল আমার কত ভালো বাসি তোমায়, বাসি রে ভালো। আমার দয়াল তোমায় আমি কত ভালো বাসি দয়াল। হে কৃপা সিন্ধু অধম সনাতনী, all organic, everything organic in different language, but every sounds makes sense. Every sounds has an energy to create a piece which is non-ending. Sounds make sense. If you hear sounds around you, does not matter what kinds of sound, good, bad, don't judge. Just observe the sounds. Sounds is universal source of energy. We are connected through sounds. You see the technology where in use everything is created through this process of sounds. The sounds make sense. Does not matter it's English, it's French, it's Bengali, it's Arabic, it's Chinese, it's Hindi, it's Urdu, it's Farsi. Does not matter. Sounds is just a expression of a language. If anybody does not know any language, and that person might not be can the exactly whatever your expression as a language, but sounds is not different. We are using the same sound source, the mechanism, the weight, the level and the vibration, everything is same. We are just creating our own language. So language does not matter. See, organic is valuable. You see, when you go for shopping, the organic product is little bit more price than other. Does not matter other product is not good, but organic, I don't know. Organic, that means no disturbance in your talking through any kinds of musical instrument except these universal musical sounds. These instrumental sounds gives different level of vibration. See the river, the nature, the sky, the tree, everything dancing around, everything dancing, sun, nature, everything dancing, everything alive. There is a sounds, bird flying, there is a sounds. I am talking, there is a sounds. If you don't like me, if you don't like to hear whatever I am talking about, but everything, every words, every action has a result. So result If we are the consumer of the result, does not matter what was the process, does not matter who made this product. This product is good for you. Medication we are taking, we are not thinking about the producer, inventor. We don't know the name of the inventor of the medicine. No one, maybe, I don't know who invented this medicine, who invented this vaccination to protect us from COVID-19, but we are using this medicine protecting us, and we are living being because we have technology, we have modern science, we have medical science. But sounds is science. Sounds does not matter. Sings, every songs make same vibration. As because we don't know the meaning because of the language barrier, does not make sense to me. So there is a science. Sounds is science. Sounds is science. Close your eyes, hear the sounds on the riverside, winds. Close your eyes for 2-3 minutes and observe the sounds. It's miracle is happening. And within you, you are feeling these sounds. You are experiencing these sounds within you. It will give you a vibration to understand that I am connecting with this universal system. I am not alone. I am connecting and I am floating on zero level. This planet has been floating. We are not on land. We are on air. So we are on air, and air inside us. See, if you close your nose for a couple of seconds and just disconnect with air, we are done. We are dead. So we are connected through air. See, through air we are connected with this system. It's proven, evident. This air, just if you stop air for a couple of minutes, seconds, based on your capacity, you will be done. You are dead. There is no existence of you as a human being in this form. So see, we are connected, and every sounds, just I am not talking anymore. Just try to hear the sounds around me. And it's a riverside, St. Lawrence Rivers, Canada, and it's beautiful. It's not beautiful. It's like there is no word. Amazing, wonderful, beautiful, but it's organic. You see here. Here I am not talking. Here the just sounds. See the sun, the full sun. See trees. I don't know the quality of recording, but see the river, the color of tree, everything has energy. See the color of tree. This is color for us, but tree, it's not dying. It's just collapsing. It has to be collapsed because of the weather. It's winter coming. So this tree's leaves got a red color, and we are taking our pleasant, and we are talking, oh, it's very beautiful, it's so wonderful to see. Yes, it is wonderful to see. If it is wonderful to see any bloody person, any person got killed, and if we see the blood on that person, if it is wonderful, then definitely this tree's color is really wonderful, because they are going to die. They have to be died because of winter. See the color, wow, this color through these trees is completely red, and after a couple of days, I don't know how long, we won't be able to see these leaves anymore. It's going for a couple of months. In next summer again, they're gonna be in a living form. So it's happening. Sounds, see the sounds. If anybody can observe the sounds for only 108 number counting times, then you are done. Mind will be quiet, shut off. We need to shut off our thought process because there is no mind. I can challenge, if anybody after hearing my recording, this is a statement, I will challenge. I will scientifically prove that there is no mind. I mean, there is no parts of this body named mind. Mind, we call this mind, which is intangible, which is we cannot see, we cannot touch, like heart. I am touching heart here. We cannot touch mind. Where is mind? It's outside, on a sky, on tree, on river, or inside, or here, on your in your heart, or in your brain, or this third eye. This is mind. We are talking about mind. No, this is not mind. There is no mind. But yes, it's our human tradition to name everything, to identify, to use the tools. The mind is a tools. I don't know how it's named as a mind, but there is no body parts as a mind. And yes, definitely there is an existency of mind, which we called mind, is very powerful. Intuitive mind, subconscious mind, which is very powerful. This body is not mind. Our thought process is not mind. It's different thing, different entity. Mind is an entity, separate entity, and we can make our mind as we want, believe me. So as long as you would be able to shut down everything, collapse your body, this is called Shavasana, death posture. And another thing we can say that if you can quiet your mind, then you will receive a different level of energy through everywhere inside this body. Nature, like your surrounding situation, everything will be changed, everything will be amazing, miraculously. You will get every support, whatever. I'm not saying you are gonna get $1 million or $1 billion lottery, but yes, it's more than that. If you can, if you drive this body, is very like kind of difficult to drive this body perfectly. It's like an engineering. You need to know the tools, and the tools is here. It's not, nothing is outside. Tools is here inside this body. We need to find out where is the tools, where is the root cause, where is the nut, where is the bolt, how I can tie it, how much I need to tie it. Everything has to be normal. Nothing you need to tie it. We are trying to control. Nothing you need to control. Just leave your control. Leave your control. Just go away. Go away. But go away and just sitting inside you only. You don't need to do anything. I don't need to do anything. Is everything happening around me? So whenever you are thinking that I have to do these things, it is not possible, because things happen in different way. We don't know. We can take action only. We can take action. We can try hard. We can try honest. That's it. And the result, end of the day, definitely it will happen. It depends on your action. Depends on your karma. Karma is the another thing, that there is no karma. Karma is nothing. Karma is zero. Karma, I will prove, there is no mind, there is no karma, but there is existency of karma and mind. We can create our own karma. We can create our own mind. We don't need to control mind. We just leave mind alone and sit within you. Okay, we'll discuss again. It's almost 20 minutes. It does not make sense. If you have anybody have say like time or listening me, just join with me. I will be online 72 hours. Adhom Sanatani. My name is Adhom, ADHOM SANATANAY. Adhom Sanatani from St. Lawrence Rivers, Canada. Okay? And laugh is medicine. Laugh makes coughing, you know. It's not easy job if your laugh makes coughing. Coughing is good thing. Coughing means you are still alive, breathing, air going inside and outside. And coughing makes your spinal cord strong, and coughing gives you more space for oxygen to go through your two nostril. So make coughing not bad. There are art. There is an art to make coughing. If you breathe scientifically, if you take breath scientifically, if you doing breathing, exercise, gym, walking, or anything, you can make your breath in a level that is miracle. More oxygen, more energy. More energy, more life. More healthy life. So again, I cannot stop this stupid talking. Okay, again, laughing, laugh. Does not matter how and for what. Just laugh. Laugh is energy, medicine. Laugh is doctor. You don't need to go to doctor. Just laugh. Laugh makes sense. Sounds make sense. Laugh makes sense.